Come test drive the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires front all terrain, tires rear all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.